everybody, it's Emily, and Tiny Arm is with me, that little crazy cat. And today we are journaling for April 16th and 17th. So this is my Hobonichi A5 cousin of Vec. So get your planner or your journal or some art journaling, some mixed media, some laundry to fold, whatever, and let's just do it. So I started out today by grabbing my favorite date cover washi. These are from Maste, and I ordered them from Jetpens, and they are my absolute favorites. If you just go search Jetpens, Maste date washi, then you can find a ton of super cute ones. Oh my gosh, I could spend $100 easy. Couldn't we all? And then I am attempting to hand letter the days of the week here using my Tombow. These are the Fudenasuki calligraphy pens. Is that what they're called? I butchered that, I'm pretty sure. But I don't know if this was the hard tip or the soft one. They come in a set, and at any rate, I need to rebuy that set because mine are demolished from writing over, like, really textured things and stuff. Basically, any of my brush pens, like my old Tombows and these calligraphy pens, are just ruined from, me and my daughter using them as well. Do you want in or out, fatty? Make your choice. Yeah, come in. Goodness gracious. And then I am just journaling at the top of the page. I put in some of my Uni Cat Sticker Flakes. Those are from Amazon, and I absolutely love those. And I just chose two cats reading because I was teaching the kids in the morning yesterday because Michael had to run to his office and empty out the mailbox since he hasn't been there in a month. And restart the server, or I don't know, something. He said like computer words. I said okay. So we were doing some work, and then they just wanted to read, so we just did some free reading. And I thought those stickers were perfect. I love those. And then I put in the Garanian with the heart because I told you guys we've been using education.com. That's kind of how we've been structuring our lessons and stuff. And every week they include like a, social emotional health sort of thing. And yes, like empathy and emotions kind of worksheets and stuff like they would do with their guidance counselors and stuff at school. And I'm really great at those, and Michael hates doing those worksheets. So I think it's so funny. I missed my calling. Maybe I should have been like an elementary school guidance counselor. I just talk about feelings all day. I love it.
How are you feeling today? What color is that feeling? What would that feeling feel like in your hands?
See, you guys, I'm really good at it. So, did that, and then I put in one of those, that Cheers green sticker is from stickers that one of you sent me, and they're really cool. They're like a bunch of different fonts and stuff. And I glued in that picture of a cat in front of a stained glass window just because I thought it was so cool, because I feel like it's us now. We're always just staring out the window. At least this week, because it's been too cold to do anything. And then I used these really cute Christmas winter stickers and chose the trees covered with snow because it was supposed to snow yesterday. It's Friday. I did this yesterday, Thursday, and it did snow. Now it's all melting in giant clumps, which is good. I'm not complaining about that. So I just thought that was a really cute picture. And I am drawing Addie's little, her name is Jelly, and one of her little brownie meeting challenges, her brownie troop has a Flipgrid group, and they have different challenges where they kind of stay connected with each other. And one of them was to build a shelter for either yourself, like a fort, or your pet, or a stuffed animal. So Addie built a shelter for Jelly and Ducky, and it was super cute. And she filmed a little Flipgrid video about it and posted that for her brownie troop to see. And I thought it was so cute because one of the questions was, what makes your shelter safe and cozy? And she said, it feels safe and cozy because Brownie and Ducky are together. Isn't that the truth? So being together makes us feel safe and cozy. So I was just lettering with my Mildliners and just writing snow. And let's see. I can't tell what I'm doing underneath my big giant meat hook there. My friend Susie is the sweetest person. She's just so nice. And yesterday she dropped off on my doorstep a little present for me, and she had bought these Urban Halo headbands, and they're like you can use them for like working out or stuff like that. But right now, the Urban Halo, they've made them so that you can buy these magnetic buttons that go with them. And then you can, it's like for healthcare workers, or now for everyone, since it looks like we'll all be wearing masks, for the foreseeable future. Depending on what kind of mask you have, they can really irritate the backs of your ears. So these come with magnetic buttons that you can move the location of. I'm going to show them to you in a second. I just got excited about launching into this to tell you about them. But I'm using pig and cat stickers here, and I was just adding hearts to it. So, that's the postcard that came with them. And so headache-free headbands, like you can use them for working out and for work. And the magnetic buttons are adjustable, so you can move them to wear on the headband. It makes it more comfortable for your mask to hook onto. If you're not a healthcare worker, you probably don't know, like a lot of people have been struggling trying to find ways to clasp their masks without having to wear them on the backs of their ears, because it's breaking down the skin on the backs of our ears. And it chafes after like an 8-hour shift, and it gives you a headache. So these are so cool, and they're like, you can clip them on wherever they work best, and then they clip off so you can wear them running or whatever, and they're so cute. The patterns she got me are beautiful. I have to wear gray scrubs or navy scrubs, so all of those are just going to look so cute. I thought that was the coolest thing ever. She's so sweet. So I was putting in some pig and cat stickers, like a little pig jumping out of a present. Stuff like that. So I'll link those below if you guys want to check them out, but they're really soft, and I must have like a crazy cone head because I can't wear headbands like that. They just fly off the back of my head, but these were actually staying, so that was pretty cool. And then I used one of my sugar and sloth stickers on the back of that. I put Lucky Kitty because I definitely feel like a lucky kitty every day with how you guys spoil me, and then just my friends and family. I'm just pretty darn lucky. And I did this quote yesterday, and I thought I recorded it, but it didn't record. So if you need to hear it, you were enough before today, you are enough in this moment, and you will continue to be enough as you become more of who you are meant to be. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.